My name is Dan Fitzgerald, and I'm one of the owners of Autoshopcontent.com. We are a strategic, professional, affordable way to get marketing done, and we don't do anything but automotive retail. We're not selling pizzas, we're not marketing tennis shoes. We do automotive retail, and we do it very well. We make incredible videos, and we put them in the right spot for the right price to drive traffic into the location. So it's an incredible way to manage what you want coming in your store. If you don't do oil changes, you wouldn't want to market them. If you don't do tires, you wouldn't want to market them. I spent up to $3,000 a month for a local cable commercial, and it worked, but that's way too much money. I can do the same thing now for a couple $100s and get more exposure, and I can put it in front of the people that I want it in front of, not just every zip code in town. If you're a small independent shop like me, and you're looking for the straight scoop on marketing, you want somebody that you can trust, that's gonna be honest with you up front, show you an ROI, how much of the money you spent, give us a call, Autoshopcontent.com.